If your plank lasts longer than your playlist, you're probably doing it wrong. This exercise can build a rock-solid core that powers every lift, squats, deadlifts, even pull-ups. But mess up one of these 10 common mistakes, and your plank goes from a core builder to a waste-of-time wiggle. Let me fix form first, then crank up the intensity, and when your form slips, drop it, reset, then come back stronger. Mistake number 2, crossing your hands. Looks comfy, but it slumps your shoulders, kills core tension, and basically turns your plank into nap time. Instead, put head facing down, eyes on the floor, spine straight. No neck strain. Mistake number 4, letting your core nap. If your abs are just chilling while you plank, nothing's getting built. Instead, drag your elbows toward your toes to activate your core muscles. Don't just hold the position, create tension. Mistake number 5, sagging hips. When your lower back arches, your abs basically clock out. Looks easier, feels easier, but it's completely useless for building a strong core. Who takes over? Your lower back. Instead, straighten your legs, squeeze your quads, fire up your glutes, and tuck your butt. Mistake number 6, sky-high hips. On the other hand, if your butt's pointing at the ceiling, your abs are basically off-duty and your shoulders are carrying the load. Zero core tension, zero gains. So unless you're trying to turn into a pyramid, this position is useless to work your core. Instead, keep your body in one straight line. Head, shoulders, hips, heels, and brace your core. Mistake number 7, shallow breathing. If your plank looks more like you're practicing for a free diving competition, you're doing it wrong. This isn't an underwater plank world record. It's core training. Holding your breath or taking those weak, shallow chest breaths kills the whole point of the plank. Your core shuts down and your abs clock out. Instead, breathe deep into your belly. Inhale, brace, and exhale while keeping that full body tension. You'll instantly feel your abs firing way harder. Oxygen is free, so use it. Mistake number 8, lazy shoulder blades. Letting your shoulder blades chill kills tension and stability. Instead, keep your blades pushed forward by pushing the ground away until your upper back rounds slightly. Not a hunch, just a strong, intentional push. Mistake number 9, shoulder shrug. If your shoulders are kissing your ears during a plank, you're doing it wrong. It's dumping the work onto your traps, making the plank easier, but way less effective. Instead, push the floor away and keep your shoulders down, strong and active. Mistake number 10, bending legs. If your legs are bent in a plank, you're doing a plank light version. Half the effort, half the results. The moment your knees slack, your lower back and shoulders start slacking too. A plank is supposed to be full body, not half asleep body. Instead, lock your legs straight, squeeze your quads, keep your feet close. A wide stance will give you more stability, but lowering the difficulty down instead of leveling up. Now tell me in the comments, how long can you hold a perfect plank?